Ever see your credit score swing wildly and you can't quite put your finger on why? Stick around for a few minutes and you'll understand the 5 factors that make up your score and how a few small improvements can make a big difference, and why number 2 is a real game changer. Let's get right to it. Number 5, new credit. This makes up 10% of your score. This is your hard pulls that give you a temporary drop in your credit score. Soft pulls don't count. The main thing to watch out for here is you don't want to open several new accounts at once, because that looks too risky to potential lenders. So you don't want to open a car loan, a credit card, a mortgage, all within a month or two of each other. Number 4, credit mix. This is also 10% of your score. This is how many different types of credits and loans that you have. You know, your credit card, loan, mortgage, etc. It's looking for variety. But it's too small of a factor to chase by getting, new accounts that may be a little too risky. It's not going to make that much of a difference. Number 3, length of credit history. This is 15% of your score. There are 2 things this looks at: the oldest account that you have and the average age of your account. The best thing you can do is keep old accounts open, like the 15-year-old credit card that you don't use anymore. Don't close it, just continue to not use it and leave it open. And this will raise the age of your average account. And also avoid opening too many accounts too quickly, because this will lower the average age of your accounts. Number 2, credit utilization. 30% of your score. And this is the one I really want to emphasize, because it's the one that can change your credit score the most quickly and the most easily. What it's looking at is the percentage of your available credit that you're actually using. So let's keep this simple. Let's say it's a $100 credit card. You want to keep it under 30%, which means under $30 balance. Even better if you keep it under 10%. So you want to owe under $10 on it at the end of the month. They say it's better to keep it at 1 to 10%, but for me, it's much simpler to keep it at 0, because the 1 to 10% only makes a few points difference. But having a completely unused card has made a 50, 60 point difference in my own credit score. So you want to make sure that balance is paid off quickly every month, or that the card is completely unused. I'll never tell you to get a credit card, because only you know if you have the self-control to manage it properly. But I'm just saying that's what I do personally, is just keep one at 0. And it makes a huge difference in my score, and it was an instant improvement. And if you already have a card, do your best to get the utilization down as much as possible, down to under that 10% or down to 0. This is another reason that I emphasize an emergency fund in my previous videos, because you want to have that buffer. You can pull from that pool of money instead of using credit. So you still have this, you're getting your bills paid, but you still have this unused credit boosting your score with your low utilization. Number 1, payment history. This is the biggest factor. It makes up 35% of your score, is checking to see if you pay your bills on time. And you want to avoid late payments, because one late payment can hurt your credit score for years, sometimes as long as 7 years. And the danger zone is 30 days. You never want an account to be more than 30 days past due, because that's when that permanent black mark can go on your credit. One of the best things you can do to protect this category is to set up auto pay. Make sure you never miss these payments. That'll report to your credit if you miss one. If you want an easy way to keep track of your credit factors, look in the description. There's a simple tracker there that you can get on Gumroad for free, or you can pay a few dollars if you want to support the channel. So there you have it. The 5 things that determine your borrowing power. If you found this useful and informative, subscribe for more personal finance tips for everyday working people. And until next time, make your paycheck work for you. We can do this.